SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x20 hybrid enclosed elite black trailer. We have our jack, coupler, and safety chain, along with 24 inches of stone guard along the bottom and tip of the V-nose. The enclosed portion of this trailer is 8 feet, along with a 48-inch levy pulled side ramp. We have our latches for our side ramp. The enclosed portion of this trailer has 3/4 inch plywood on the floor and 3/8 plywood on the walls. We have doors on the rear and side of the enclosed trailer, along with bar locks. We have our light switch for our LED light. We have a 15x30 view window on the driver's side of the enclosed trailer. We have 3500K axles on 15-inch wheels and rims with stone guard teardrop fenders, along with LED lights on the top of your fenders. The utility part of this trailer comes with pressure treated wood floors, 2 feet mesh siding. This trailer comes with a 12-foot utility portion with a bifold spring assisted utility ramp. We have 9 D-rings along the bottom of our utility portion, along with our rear door. We have LED drive lights. This trailer also comes with a side door. This hybrid comes with ladder racks on the top portion of the trailer. We have an 8-foot front enclosed box, along with a 12-foot rear porch. Once again, this is the 7x20 hybrid enclosed elite utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.